I'm going on. Man-woman relation in ballroom dancing. When we have two components in a system, plus they opposite to each other, man and woman, it's always minimum misunderstanding, maximum a big fight. Everybody knows that. Never mind, is it about dancing or about life? So it should be kind of structure inside to come to the peace point. And I believe that woman is a major component of that system. Woman, same as in life. Man is a server. I normally tell to my pupils, she is a queen, but he is a prime minister. He is running the business in her kingdom, but for her pleasure, in her interests, and to find the peace together at the end. She accepted his invitation or not accepted. Guys, who is going down on the knee in front of someone you choose and asking her to be married? I'm going down. Who is then smoking all night because she decided to sing till morning and give you an answer tomorrow? Woman is taking the final decision. If you look at our competition structure, the costumes reflects it very obvious. Woman is bright in the beautiful dress, thinking about the fashion, doing the unique hairstyle, makeup, stones. Man, black and white. The formal dress for men, the most form, is black and a little bit white. The reason is he has no right to struggle with his queen. If you see man, he definitely not need a woman beside. He's just decided to make some solo. The car-politic competition needs identification, and that's what we use in numbers for. And I'm sure the number should be on the man's back. Man is a stand to put the number on the back, and is a brain to organize the ladies' dance. Competition, in fact, is a competition between ladies to the title Queen of Dance. But structure just allowed lady to take a man who will manage her dance in the best possible way. And if she will win, I will win also. And in every time when correct champions are taking the title, and the DSI TV asking, why do you think judges today picked you as a champion? In every time, correct men saying the same words, and it's not fashion, just because I have the best partner in the world. So to be a world champion, it's very simple for men. Just dance with a female world champion. Make her world champion, and you will be the world champion also.